Assalamu alaikum. I'm at Iqra University for their open house day. I really liked the campus and the staff was really friendly.
We found this university just by chance. We came here and we were really reluctant. We have a daughter that's from America. We've moved here for just part-time. We needed something for her to do in fashion designing. And today's session it really helped us. The faculty was great, meeting them, knowing about the program, encouraging the kids to ask questions. I think that is very important. The faculty really played its role very nicely, and I think we're definitely going to send our daughter.
Assalamu alaikum ji. My name is Nusrat Wafa, father of Sabiha. She is interested to join here fashion designing and textile designing. Let's see how she change her after first or second semester. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आज का सेशन जो कि मिस सुमेरा सज्जा जो कि HOD भी हैं, बड़ा अच्छा प्रेजेंटेशन दी जिसमें बड़ी चीज़ें ब्रीफ इन्होंने की और बड़ा डिटेल के साथ स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी और पेरेंट्स के लिए भी बड़ी अच्छी गाइडलाइंस और चीज़ें बताई इन्होंने। और इस फील्ड के अंदर आगे प्रोफेशन किस तरह से बच्चों को ज्वाइन करना है, बच्चों की एक रहनुमाई जो थी वो माशाल्लाह से बड़े अच्छे तरीके से इन्होंने की और जिसमें डेफिनेटली बच्चों को आगे जाके इसका फ़ायदा तो होगा।
Assalamu alaikum, I'm Sabiha Wafa and I have applied for fashion designing, BS in fashion designing, and I really like the faculty over here. They are very sweet and very nice, and overall university is very nice and it is very well equipped and I really like it. Thank you.